Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Assalamualaikum. Today I gonna show you how to make a steak in the oven. So what we need is a beef steak, of course, in the large size, and then the onion, as you can see, and the garlic powder, chili powder, salt, cumin, and black pepper. Now it's time to rub all the ingredients into the steak. Once you rub the ingredients into the beef, and you prepare for the pan. First of all, I love to be my steak every time before goes to the oven to be crispy, to be a little bit dry and a little bit brownish in the pot. Okay, so we're just heating up. Alright, once it's beef half cooked in the both sides, and then we already put in the oven. As you can see, we can add some broccoli, carrots, or any preference vegetable that you like. And I also put the onion and garlic on the top of the beef. Now let's put in the oven to make the beef to be well done, but always to remember to check for the vegetable not to overcook. Okay, now it goes into the oven, and we check it out again after 10 minutes. We'll see the vegetable, is it cooked or not. Ini dia steaknya sudah jadi. Selamat mencoba.